Guys, I got this from that thrift store fine, but I like this one. It could be like a necklace, or I think you can use as a belt or something. But I like the, see, that's what it look like. I think go like this. I'm not sure. Yes, wait. But it's like a wind chime, guys. See, there's like a wood in it, and then that one is a metal. And then yeah, you can do necklace, or you can use as a belt or something. Like there's a sound, guys. It's kind of cool. And I look at everything, and I need to go through in it yet. I got the bracelet, and I got some ring, and so this is really cool, guys. See, that one has that. This one has that thing. But I'm gonna wear this one, either necklace or necklace or a belt. Cool.